Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to demonstrate on how to use the support and resistance na trading robot. So this is what we call the SwertyFX hybrid support and resistance. You just click the AA and drag to the chart and click the OK to enable the automated trading. And then the robot can automatically detect the support and resistance in the 15-minute time frame, and also it is visible the support and resistance from the 4-hour time frame. So it means yung ating robot is siya na yung magpa-plot ng ating support and resistance in different time frames. So as you can see here, we have the 5-minute time frame. So, automatically, siya rin magpa-plot ng the last swing high or the resistance and the last swing low for the support. Alright, so no need to plot manually the support and resistance. And makikita nyo din dyan yung 4-hour time frame na support and resistance. So, siya na mismo yung magpa-plot, no? No need to manually create the support and resistance. Use the robot.